Yeah, all things current affairs. We just arrived on scene. So that's the car being towed away now. Let's just zoom in so you get better light. Sorry. So like the artist, South African artist Karishma was involved in the accident, and someone unfortunately that was with her in the car passed away. So like yeah, this is the current scene of.
Sure, you guys, unfortunately, I come back to report sad news. Of course, it has been reported by blogs, and of course, I did see a few publication reporting on Karishma saying that she unfortunately sadly got involved in a very tragic accident just outside Polokwane on Friday morning at around 4 a.m. And it is reported and alleged that the driver, the person who drove Karishma sadly passed away. You guys, of course, there have been very gruesome visuals which are circulating on the internet of the tragic accident which transpired. You guys, very horrific, I have to say. Now, there is this man on Facebook. He claims to be a prophet, and his name is Ntate Mopostola Worldwide. And he claims that this prophecy, I don't know whether to call it prophecy or what, it was allegedly, reportedly made a few years ago. And he said, Fitlisha Molaija ho Karishma, the vocalist, ho tla accident ya bobedi, e tlo mo dirang segole, go na le batho ba ba mo jelang mona because of her talent, her family ka e eme ka maoto to protect ngwana wa bona. And translated, it simply means this prophecy was written back in May 2023, and translated it simply means, please pray for Karishma because this prophet claims that he sees a huge accident, an accident, of course, which is going to cripple Karishma, and he urges people to pray for Karishma. He says the reason why is because people are very jealous of her talent and that her family should be standing on their feet to protect this child. And today, this old Facebook prophecy by Ntate Mopostola Worldwide has resurfaced, and Karicho Dedi says 2 years ago, and today it happened, though it might be edited, but the comments. Yo, you guys, I went through the comment section and someone said, hope she won't be Sogole, meaning hope she won't be crippled. You guys, it is not clear whether this is an old indeed screenshot or if it has been edited. Guys, what do you think about this? Engage your thoughts within the comment section down below. And of course, we are wishing Karishma a very speedy recovery, and wishing and hoping that somehow this is just, not true.